Okay, so today we have a recorded lesson, which is great because you can pause, rewind, rewatch, whatever you want. Maybe you're not a morning person, you could be doing this in like 12 noon. A lot of opportunities. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the first element of art, a line, which is a moving dot. Okay, you have your start point and you have your end point, and the line tells you the path that was taken from start to finish. Like you'll see in our demo, sometimes it's a straight line, other times it is a zigzaggy line. It's up to the artist what type of line we use. So there is a little exercise that goes along with it. Make sure you do the exercise as well and hang on to it. And I hope you have a wonderful time. So we'll see you over at the demo table. Okay, welcome to the demo table. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you our first art concept, which is a line. And a line is, let's start it here. I'll take a picture of this when all set is done. So line. A line is a moving dot, okay? So if I have this dot right here and it starts, there, and it moves to here, the line tells the story of how it got from start to finish, okay? It could get from start to finish like that. It could take a wavy path, or it could take a zigzag path, all right? That's A-okay. When you draw a line, you got to think about what part of your arm you're using. So when I draw short, flicky lines, like lines that are under an inch, I'm just using this part of my wrist. All right, so let's see. All right, so I just use my wrist. We'll label all those. Right, if I'm drawing a more medium length line, I use my elbow. See how my arm swings further with my elbow? So there we go, elbow. Alright, and this is going to be tough to show on the camera, but if I'm drawing anything longer than that, I'm going to use my shoulder. You guys see how the whole shoulder swings? And look at that, I can straighten my arm out, swing my shoulder. So let's do a couple shoulder lines. All right, so so we'll put these under types, and that's not the only types there are, it's just 3. And then this would be a part of arm. When you draw a line, it is best practice to set your start point, set your end point, ghost, 1, 2, then when you feel like you got it, draw. That's much better than guessing. So anytime you're drawing a line, you want to keep it straight, set your start point, set your end point, ghost, and draw. In math class, when 2 lines are following the same path, they are said to be parallel. And that is a very close cousin to an art term for when 2 lines follow a similar path. They are said to follow the same contour. These 2 lines are following, 3 lines now are following the same contour. What I want you to do, I want you on a piece of paper to draw a shape. Okay, this is a shape. It's a line that comes back and hits itself. And then in that shape, I want you to set 1 line, and then I want you to follow the line. The line never crosses, okay? Just like that. And it's kind of fun. It's kind of like an investigation because it's like you set one thing and then it's like ripples in the water. Each one changes just a little bit. If you get to a section like this where you can't, you can always go here and then turn it around. All right, and you will not stop until, that's easy, until, like right here, this needs to be filled up. So you got to fill up the whole space. Each one of these, I don't know how long, I shouldn't even say, because depending on how complicated your first line is, it's gonna take you either longer or shorter. Faster isn't always better. I would like you to do this 8 times, okay? And each time, I want you to set a different starter line. So my starter line in this one, let's see if I can find it, went like that. Maybe this starter line will go like that. It's got a zig and a zag. All right. So you're doing 8 of these, and they can be as big or as small as you like them. But something about this size would be a thumbnail. This is still, we're exploring the concept. So this is what I want you to do: 8 thumbnails of a contouring line. Keep that piece of paper. We will look at it on our next Google Meet. Take care, guys.